personalized aging and longevity protocols. The future of healthy aging. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is a comprehensive guide to individualized anti-aging strategies based on biological age testing, telomere analysis, and metabolic assessments. Introduction beyond chronological age. While your driver's license shows one number, your body tells a different story. The emerging field of personalized aging and longevity protocols recognizes that biological age, how old your cells and organs actually are, can differ dramatically from chronological age. This revolutionary approach to healthy aging moves beyond generic advice to create individualized strategies that address your unique biological profile. Traditional aging research has focused on population-wide interventions, but we now understand that aging occurs at vastly different rates among individuals. Some people maintain the cellular health of someone decades younger, while others show accelerated aging markers. The key lies in measuring these differences and tailoring interventions accordingly. Understanding biological age testing. Biological age testing represents one of the most significant advances in longevity science. Unlike chronological age, which simply counts years since birth, biological age measures how well your body systems are functioning relative to expected norms. This assessment provides a foundation for personalized aging protocols. The most sophisticated biological age tests analyze multiple biomarkers simultaneously. These include inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, metabolic indicators such as HbA1c and insulin sensitivity, cardiovascular health markers including blood pressure variability and arterial stiffness, and hormonal profiles encompassing growth hormone, DHEA, and sex hormones. Advanced testing platforms now use machine learning algorithms to analyze dozens of these biomarkers simultaneously, creating a comprehensive biological age score. Companies like Tracker, Truage, and Elysium Health offer consumer-accessible testing that can reveal whether you're re-aging faster or slower than your chronological age would suggest. Perhaps most importantly, biological age testing is actionable. Unlike genetic testing, which reveals relatively fixed information, biological age can improve with targeted interventions. Regular retesting allows individuals to track their progress and adjust protocols based on results. Telomere analysis. Windows into cellular aging. Telomeres, the protective caps on chromosome ends, serve as one of the most direct measures of cellular aging. These DNA protein structures shorten with each cell division, eventually triggering cellular senescence or death. Telomere length analysis provides crucial insights for personalized longevity protocols. Research consistently shows that longer telomeres correlate with longer, healthier lives. However, telomere length varies dramatically among individuals of the same chronological age. Some 60-year-olds have telomeres typical of 40-year-olds, while others show premature shortening associated with accelerated aging. Telomere testing reveals not just current cellular age, but also the rate of cellular aging. By measuring telomere length and the activity of telomerase, the enzyme that rebuilds telomeres, practitioners can identify individuals at risk for accelerated aging and design interventions to slow or potentially reverse the process. The most comprehensive telomere analyzers now include measurements of telomere length distribution, telomeres activity, and markers of cellular senescence. This multidimensional approach provides a more complete picture of cellular health than simple average telomere length measurements. Metabolic assessment. The engine of aging metabolism serves as the engine driving the aging process, making metabolic assessment crucial for personalized longevity protocols. This evaluation goes far beyond basic metabolic panels to include detailed analysis of cellular energy production, nutrient utilization, and metabolic flexibility. Advanced metabolic testing examines mitochondrial function through markers like lactate, pyruvate ratios, and COQ10 levels. Mitochondria, the cellular powerhouses, decline with age, but respond dramatically to targeted interventions. Individuals with better mitochondrial function consistently show slower aging across multiple biomarkers. Insulin sensitivity testing reveals how efficiently the body processes glucose, a critical factor in healthy aging. Poor insulin sensitivity accelerates aging through multiple pathways, including increased inflammation, glycation damage, and cellular stress. Personalized protocols can dramatically improve insulin sensitivity through targeted dietary, exercise, and supplementation strategies. Metabolic flexibility, the ability to efficiently switch between burning glucose and fat, represents another crucial aging marker. Testing through continuous glucose monitors and metabolic flexibility challenges reveals individual responses to different foods and eating patterns, enabling precise dietary recommendations, targeted supplements, precision nutrition for longevity. The supplement landscape for longevity has exploded in recent years, but personalized protocols focus on specific nutrients based on individual deficiencies and genetic variations. Rather than taking generic anti-aging supplements, personalized approaches target specific pathways based on testing results. NAD precursors, like nicotinamide riboside and NMN, have shown promise for supporting cellular energy production and DNA repair. However, individual responses vary dramatically based on baseline NAD+ levels, genetic variations in NAD+ metabolism, and concurrent health conditions. Testing NAD+ levels allows for precise dosing and timing. Omega-3 fatty acids demonstrate significant anti-aging effects, but optimal dosing depends on baseline inflammation levels, genetic variations in fat metabolism, and dietary intake. Some individuals require high-dose EPA for inflammation control, while others benefit more from balanced EPA-DHA ratios. Personalized protocols often include omega-3 index testing to guide supplementation. Antioxidant supplementation represents a particularly complex area where personalization proves crucial. While antioxidants can combat aging-related oxidative stress, excessive supplementation may interfere with beneficial hormetic stress responses. Testing oxidative stress markers and antioxidant enzyme activity guides optimal supplementation strategies. Hormone optimization. Restoring youthful balance. Hormonal changes drive many aspects of aging, making hormone optimization a cornerstone of personalized longevity protocols. However, hormone replacement requires careful individual assessment, as optimal levels vary significantly based on genetics, lifestyle, and health status. Growth hormone and IGF-1 represent particularly complex areas for intervention. While declining growth hormone contributes to age-related muscle loss and metabolic dysfunction, excessive levels may accelerate certain aging processes. Personalized protocols use detailed testing to identify individuals who might benefit from growth hormone optimization while avoiding potential risks. Sex hormone optimization extends beyond simple replacement to include optimization of hormone ratios and metabolism. Testing hormone metabolites reveals how individuals process hormones, guiding decisions about replacement therapy, lifestyle modifications, and targeted supplements to optimize hormone balance. Thyroid optimization often proves crucial for healthy aging, as subclinical thyroid dysfunction becomes increasingly common with age. Comprehensive thyroid testing, including reverse T3 and thyroid antibodies, reveals optimization opportunities that standard testing might miss. Lifestyle modifications. The foundation of personalized aging while supplements and hormones capture attention. Lifestyle modifications form the foundation of effective longevity protocols. Personalized approaches tailor these interventions based on individual genetics, preferences, and health status. Exercise prescription has evolved beyond generic recommendations to include detailed analysis of individual responses to different training modalities. Some individuals respond better to high-intensity interval training, while others benefit more from steady-state endurance exercise. Genetic testing can reveal variations in exercise response, recovery needs, and injury risk. Nutritional interventions increasingly rely on individual metabolic testing rather than population-based guidelines. Continuous glucose monitoring reveals individual responses to different foods, enabling precise dietary recommendations. Some individuals thrive on low-carbohydrate approaches, while others maintain better metabolic health with moderate carbohydrate intake. Sleep optimization represents a crucial but often overlooked component of longevity protocols. Individual chronotypes, sleep architecture, and recovery needs vary dramatically. Personalized sleep protocols may include specific timing recommendations, environmental modifications, and targeted supplements based on individual sleep study results. Stress management. Individualized resilience. Building chronic stress accelerates aging through multiple pathways, making stress management crucial for longevity, too. However, Effective stress management strategies vary significantly among individuals based on genetics, personality, and life circumstances. Heart rate variability testing reveals individual stress responses and recovery patterns, guiding selection of appropriate stress management techniques. Some individuals respond well to meditation and mindfulness practices, while others benefit more from physical stress relief through exercise or massage. Cortisol pattern testing identifies individuals with dysregulated stress hormone production, enabling targeted interventions to restore healthy circadian cortisol rhythms. These may include specific timing of meals, exercise, light exposure, and stress management practices. Implementation and monitoring. Making it work, successful personalized aging protocols require systematic implementation and regular monitoring. Initial comprehensive testing establishes baseline measurements across multiple biomarkers. This typically includes biological age testing, telomere analysis, comprehensive metabolic panels, hormone testing, and genetic analysis. Based on testing results, practitioners develop individualized protocols targeting specific areas for improvement. These protocols typically include multiple interventions working synergistically, targeted supplements, hormone optimization when appropriate, personalized exercise prescriptions, individualized nutritional plans, and specific stress management strategies. Regular retesting allows for protocol adjustments and progress tracking. Most protocols include retesting every 3 to 6 months for key biomarkers, with annual comprehensive assessments to evaluate overall progress and adjust long-term strategies. The future of personalized longevity. The field of personalized aging continues to evolve rapidly, with new testing methods and interventions emerging regularly. Artificial intelligence increasingly enables more sophisticated analysis of complex biomarker patterns, while advances in epigenetic testing provide deeper insights into aging processes. Wearable technology integration allows for continuous monitoring of key health metrics, enabling real-time protocol adjustments. Future protocols may include continuous biomarker monitoring, AI-driven intervention recommendations, and increasingly precise targeting of aging pathways. Conclusion: your personal path to healthy longevity. Personalized aging and longevity protocols represent a fundamental shift from generic anti-aging advice to individualized strategies based on your unique biological profile. BI, combining comprehensive testing with targeted interventions. These approaches offer the potential to not just extend lifespan but improve health span, the number of years lived in good health. The key lies in understanding that optimal aging strategies vary dramatically among individuals. What works for one person may be ineffective or even counterproductive for another. Through careful testing, thoughtful intervention design, and regular monitoring, personalized longevity protocols offer the most promising path toward healthy aging. This field continues to evolve. The tools for personalized aging will become increasingly sophisticated and accessible. The future of healthy aging isn't about following generic advice. It's about understanding your unique biological profile and optimizing it for long-term health and vitality.